G'day trendsetters. Today I'm planting my elephant garlic that I saved from last year's harvest. I started last year with 6 cloves. I've saved 12, I've used others in the house, so it's a nice little producer. Sadly though, I have since discovered between last year and this year that I'm actually allergic to members of the ℙ𝕃 family, including elephant garlic, leeks and a few others. So I won't actually get to enjoy any of this, but I'll grow it for my wife and my daughter. They both love it, and what they don't eat I can give away. And I also get the thrill of growing nice, fresh, homegrown elephant garlic. Pretty simple. All I've done is turn the soil over to the depth of the fork, maybe to the horror of all the no-dig fans out there, but I still like to dig from time to time. I've planted these, they're about 8 inches apart, just give them a little bit more room than normal garlic, and I will cover them to their own depth. So what's that, 1.5 inches? So I'll plant them about 3 inches deep. I think that's about all there is to it. Sit back and wait for 6 months. I will, oh that's right, I did apply a good quality composted chicken manure fertilizer quite liberally. And the other thing I've done is, it's the 26th of March today, so I'm about a month earlier than what I normally plant on Anzac Day, which is the 25th of April. But there seems to be a general consensus that a month earlier is better. We'll find out. So these guys here are about 8 inches apart. My board here is 6 inches wide, so I do want a foot between the rows. And I'm just going to make a little trench to start with, just so I get a nice straight row. The board out the way, and one. So that's my farmer's measuring stick, about 7-8 inches. In they go. In they go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right, now all I need to do, pointy end up. Same with normal garlic, pointy end up. And plant it into the depth that I want it to go, which will look something like that. And that. Beautiful. That's it, pretty easy. Just one after the other. All right, nothing to it. Grab yourself some elephant garlic bulbs, break it up into corms, prepare your soil and bung them in. Cheers, see you next time.